Hello, welcome back. I want to give you a channel update of what's going on over the next few weeks. We are going to be sort of filming some cars at Capesthorne Hall classic car show this coming weekend, so hopefully we'll have some good content we can upload for that. I'm currently having issues with the Mondeo Gear X, which is my first video. I've bought a dent kit which I'll put up there, and I have my doubts it's going to work, and I'm probably going to get the professionals in. But the other issue, which I'll show you in a minute, I was wondering whether you can put down in the comments as to what you think it is, and I'll go through that issue. The next thing for the channel is I'm currently bidding on eBay for a Jaguar XKR convertible, and if my bid is the winning bid, I don't get pipped at the last minute, that will be coming on the channel soon. I have got my eye on some others if I don't win the bid, but they're not convertible. The others XK are supercharged, which is a hard top, it's not convertible, but both nice cars, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll get it. I'm also looking at changing the garden and digging all that out to make way for make some more room for some more cars. I'll probably add that footage to the channel of it being excavated, and also a neighbour of ours is selling their Volvo, which I shall show you quick footage of it, which I'm hopefully buying off him, because it's extremely low mileage, and it's just been sat on his drive for the last 10 years, so you'll get to see that in a minute. So on to this problem with the Mondeo. So on startup, wait for the glow plug to go out, there's a really horrible sound, really horrible squeak. Hear it? Now all the belts have been changed, the serpentine belt has been changed, all the belts are brand new, and I think it's a wearing pulley wheel. And let me know down in the comments what you think it is, and which one it could be. It's like a constant bird tweeting in there. Really annoying. Only does it on idle, revving, it's fine. Really annoying. Let me know what you think it is. So here we have our neighbour's Volvo S40, which is a 2002 reg. It's a 1.8 engine. Underneath, it's a really good car. There doesn't appear to be much rot, or if any rot. It needs a good buff, shine up, service. The wheels are probably seized because it's been parked up for so long, and I'm told it's not even been started for the last 4 years, so the battery will be totally flat. well, the next video is going to be, can we get it started, and are the wheels seized? So I'm going to try and get some air in the tyres. It's going to need 4 new tyres, and just see what sort of condition it's in, because for at least 7 to 10 years, I'm told, it hasn't gone anywhere due to ill health. It's just sat on the drive. So, do you think this car is worth saving? Let me know down in the comments. And also, on the auto box, there is a W to the left of the shift lever. What does that stand for? If you could let me know in the comments, that would be great for any of you Volvo fans. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and we'll get right back to you with the startup of this car, if it will start. Fingers crossed. Thanks for watching.